Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking a privacy-focused voice chat app or a browser web client that supports ephemeral rooms. Create a throwaway account with a unique email and minimal profile. This separates identity from the session. Once done, configure device permissions. Disable microphone for all other apps and enable only the chat client to prevent leaks. Make sure to use a VPN or Tor for network anonymity. This reduces traceability and keeps your voice traffic routed through a different IP. Now you set up audio routing so your real voice and system outputs stay separate. Install a virtual audio device or loopback to route mic through an anonymizer or voice changer and adjust sample rate to 44. 1 kHz for stable quality. Once configured, enable push-to-talk and echo cancellation to reduce accidental exposure. Test levels locally before joining. Record a short clip and play back to confirm the voice is modified and that no background. Finally, join the voice room with your throwaway account and a temporary display name. Once in, keep push-to-talk active and mute when idle to prevent accidental identity leaks. This also keeps bandwidth low and avoids echo. Make sure your VPN remains connected and the virtual audio device is selected in the client. If you notice leakage or poor audio, disconnect immediately, clear the app cache, restart the virtual device, and retest locally. This single troubleshooting step resolves most permission or routing failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.